Level 2 Data in Trading, Understanding the Order Book. Welcome, traders. In today's session, we'll take a step into the advanced trading landscape by delving into Level 2 Data. This powerful tool offers an unparalleled window into market behavior, providing you with insights on the ebb and flow of buying and selling activity. Our focus will be on how to interpret and leverage the order book, the visual heart of Level 2 Data, to empower your trading strategies and refine your decision-making process. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for an edge or simply curious about real-time market dynamics, this comprehensive guide will sharpen your tools for success. Let's break this down into bite-sized sections. Level 2 Data is your gateway to market depth, giving you access to detailed information about active buy and sell orders, including their sizes and price levels. Unlike Level 1 Data, which shows you only the best bid and ask prices along with total volumes, Level 2 goes deeper. Think of it as a zoomed-in lens on the marketplace, offering you a full spectrum of active orders being placed. Traders can use this data to see not only the current top-of-book prices, but also the layers of liquidity stacked above and below the current trading price. In essence, Level 2 Data equips you with the real-time knowledge necessary to anticipate price movements, spot trends, and detect imbalances in trading activity. For experienced traders, Level 2 Data is indispensable. It goes beyond charts and gives insight into real-time market sentiment. By observing how buy and sell orders flow, you can identify crucial areas where the market may stall, reverse, or break out. Additionally, scalpers and intraday traders thrive on Level 2 Data because it reveals the granular price actions necessary for precise trade execution. Understanding this data helps you detect high liquidity zones, anticipate potential upward or downward price moves, react more effectively to supply-demand imbalances. With this context in mind, let's focus specifically on the order book, the visual tool that represents Level 2 Data. The order book is the epicenter of Level 2 Data, a dynamic, constantly updating table that displays buy orders, bids, and sell orders, asks. Let's break down its primary components. Bid prices represent all ongoing buy orders and the prices traders are willing to pay to purchase a security. These are typically displayed on the left side of the order book. They're arranged from highest to lowest price, with the highest bid representing the strongest current demand. Ask prices represent all ongoing sell orders and the prices at which traders are willing to sell. These are typically displayed on the right side of the order book. They're arranged from the lowest to highest price, with the lowest ask showing the cheapest price for the security. Order sizes, volume, refers to the number of shares, contracts, or lots traders want to buy or sell at each respective bid or ask price. Spread, the difference between the highest bid price and the lowest ask price. A narrow spread indicates high liquidity, while a wider spread often signals lower liquidity. Market depth reflects the number of orders and the volume of orders at various price levels, both above and below the current trading price. Understanding these elements allows you to see at a glance where most of the market activity is taking place and where price pressure might be building. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about how to actually use this data in your trades. Here's what the order book reveals and how to apply it effectively. Liquidity zones reflect areas where a significant number of buy or sell orders are concentrated. For instance, if you see a cluster of large sell orders stacked above the current price, this could signal resistance, as sellers are likely to prevent the price from moving higher. Conversely, large clusters of buy orders below the current price signify potential support. The activity in the order book often provides early clues about shifts in momentum. If the number of aggressive buy orders suddenly jumps, the market may push upward. Similarly, an increase in sell-side pressure can precede a downward price move. Key breakout levels can become obvious through order book observation. If a large volume of orders is building at a single price level, this often acts as a psychological or technical barrier. When the market finally breaks through these levels, significant price movement tends to follow. Use the order book to identify whether those levels are building pressure on the buy or sell side. Here's how you can use Level 2 Data to refine your strategies. For scalpers focused on small, quick profits, Level 2 Data is invaluable. By watching the order book, you can pinpoint high liquidity levels where rapid transactions are occurring. These zones often allow for faster execution, enhancing your profitability. Order book dynamics can fine-tune your entry and exit strategies. For example, if the market is approaching an area with significant buy-side liquidity, it's a good signal that the price may rebound. Alternatively, large sell-side liquidity zones signal potential exits to lock in profits before prices drop. The order book can guide optimal placement of stop-loss levels, keeping you protected from unnecessary volatility while avoiding premature trade exits. Setting a stop just below support or above resistance indicated by liquidity zones minimizes risk. Keep an eye out for unusually large orders placed at specific price levels. These often belong to institutional players and can signal the direction of significant upcoming price movements. To put theory into practice, let's walk through an example. Imagine you're observing the Level 2 data for a stock currently trading at $100. On the bid side, you see a large cluster of orders at $99.50, with a total volume of 20,000 shares. On the ask side, there's a massive sell order sitting at $101 for 25,000 shares. What does this tell you? The $99.50 level represents strong support because buyers are eager to step in at that price. The large sell order at $101 indicates resistance, as sellers are willing to offload a significant volume at that level. If the price pushes toward $101 and those sell orders gradually disappear, it may signal a potential breakout, offering a good buying opportunity. This real-time observation is the true power of the order book. It lets you stay ahead of price shifts. While Level 2 data provides critical advantages, it isn't without its challenges. Here are some pitfalls to watch for. Spoofing and fake orders. Some traders place large orders with no intention of execution to manipulate perceived supply and demand. Always wait for confirmation before reacting to what may be false signals. Overreacting to minor fluctuations. The rapid changes in the order book can be overwhelming. Stay disciplined and avoid overtrading based on short-term noise. Algorithmic activity. Many large players use high-frequency trading algorithms to create artificial liquidity or disguise their true objectives. Learn to recognize erratic patterns that might signal non-organic market behavior. To further enhance your analysis, combine Level 2 data with traditional tools like technical indicators, for example, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, or price action techniques. For example, use Level 2 data to find support-resistance zones, then confirm them with price patterns on a chart. Use momentum indicators like RSI to validate whether large bid-ask activity aligns with overbought or oversold conditions. The key is synergy. Level 2 data gives real-time insights, while technical indicators provide broader context. Level 2 data, when properly understood, gives you an edge over the noise of the market. From refining your scalping strategies to identifying key breakout points, the order book empowers you to make informed and confident trading decisions. The concepts we've covered today, from market depth to liquidity zones and spotting resistance, are tools you can add to your arsenal for greater precision. We challenge you to apply what you've learned today in a live market scenario. Start small, carefully observe the order book, and refine your analysis. Mastering Level 2 data requires practice, but the payoff is invaluable. Thank you for joining us. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and trade wisely.